Hi, this is Joey, and today we're going to be looking at BenQ Zowie's mouse, or mice. Because we have not just one, not two, but three gaming mice here today. So what we have here today is the ZA11, the ZA12, and the ZA13. Or is it ZA11, ZA12, and ZA13? Okay, we're not sure, but that's not what's important. What's important is that BenQ and Zowie, what they want to do is create mice specifically for each person to have the right feel, the right use, and the right comfort. Who wants to go on gaming for long periods of time where your hand suddenly feels uncomfortable or weird, right? So what we have here are three different sizes. They're not three different mice per se. They're three different sizes. So what we have here is the ZA11, which is the large, the ZA12, which is the medium, and the ZA13, which is the small. So the ZA series is BenQ Zowie's ambidextrous high-profile design. So there's like a curve on the mouse itself for those people who sort of play like this. But for those who want low profile, who play like this, they can go for the FK series. And for those who just want right-hand ergonomic design, you can go for the EC series. All in all, there's 3 FK mice, small, medium, large. There's 3 ZA mice, small, medium, and large. And there's the EC series. They have 4 models. So all in all, that's already 10 different mice. But we're just going to be looking at the ZA series today. So let's start to unbox this thing so that we know how it looks like. Let's go with the ZA11 so that you can see the design clearly, because of course it's the biggest one. So the box itself is pretty plain. So there's the model name. There's the Zowie logo here. It's mouse for esports. And then not much product information outside actually. So let's open it up. So it opens up at the top. Okay. And then put it out. Okay, so straight up you get to see the mouse. The packaging is not very bling. That's okay. I mean, who needs a bling package anyway? You're just gonna end up throwing that. That was very satisfying. Okay, so mouse aside, let's just see what's inside. Oh, you get a sticker, a Zowie sticker. You get the Zowie gaming gear service information, and of course you get the user guide. Okay. So straight up, the mouse itself is pretty good. It looks pretty solid. So it's not braided, it's soft rubber. But Zowie actually has a point for that. Why braided? I mean, soft rubber cables are easier to pack and roll up like this, whereas braided cables tend to be tangle free, but it's hard to wrap them around, and they usually just pop out when you're trying to fix them. Okay, the click is quite good. The pull is okay. I mean, the scroll wheel. There's 2 buttons on the left. There's 2 buttons on the right. Okay, so this is an ambidextrous design, so you can use it for your left hand or your right hand. Okay, so I assume you can use 4 of these buttons at the same time, even if you're using either hand. Alright, so this is what I mean by the high profile design. So there's a nice curvature over here. Okay, so the FK series will not have this hump. It'll be a little more flat and down. So just to give you an overview of the design. Okay. Has a very nice click, you know, it's very satisfying. Okay, so you have the ZA1. Okay, let's open up the other one. So we have here the ZA1, the ZA11, and the ZA12. Okay, so they're very identical. It's just really the size. So the ZA11 is 67mm long, and this one's 64mm long. The smaller one is just 62mm long. So they're just separated by 2 to 3mm. I mean, you won't really feel the difference, but I don't think anybody's hands are like an inch away from each other, right? So it's just for you to find your exact size. Okay, so the weight, I don't think you can tell the difference. This one's supposedly 90 grams and this one's 85, but you can't tell the difference. But of course, for players, for esports players, you can definitely feel that difference, because the way you glide will definitely have an effect. Oh, when you are gliding, there is some feel. You can definitely feel some weight on the ZA11 versus this one. Wow, so I think Zoe's on the right track. I mean, designing the weight, the length, the width, the exact size of the mouse actually does have an effect on how you use it. Okay, so we're gonna try to play the game now. So you can adjust the DPI on this thing. The red one is 400 DPI, the purple one is 800 DPI, the blue one is 1600 DPI, and the green one is 3200 DPI. Okay, so... Okay, so the DPI on this thing is... So we can... So there you have it. This has been the ZA11, ZA12, and the ZA13 series from Zowie and BenQ. And read up on our review about it so that you can learn more. And so that maybe you can see this in Philippine stores really soon and you can check them out and buy them because they are made especially for you. Thank you.